This is the carbon black interior styling kit in Ertiga 2019 with a perfect fit. Power window kit and side kit. This is also in carbon black. Rear power window kit. Rear pillar light installed with 2 modes. Rear spoiler, tail lamp moulding, rear diffuser, scuff plates, seat covers installed, door visors, lower garnish, side moulding, headlight with high power HID with DRLs, fog lamp OE type, reflector cover, fog lamp reflector cover, front stardom, all work is done at SP Car Accessories Belgaum, and thank you for watching our video.